So I think the most difficult part has been to actually get this radar or sensor out from the clip or from the cable. It was very difficult due to the limited space over there, so you can't really use your finger or your nail to get it out. So what I used was like this small tool. So you put it over here and you use a little bit, yeah, you get the clip out, and then you can drag the cable and then you can replace with new one. And this is how it looks like. And I guess you probably need a flashlight here to see. It's over there. There's a little bit of orange color, which is actually the retainer that get the radar fixed on the bumper. So it's done. I think you need to be a little bit careful because there are a lot of cables over here, and also some of the pipes over there. It's probably for cooling system, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, all is done. I'm going to test it now. And by the way, this is how it looks like. I didn't manage to buy the exactly same color, which is, I think, some kind of gray, but I bought this dark or black color. But I guess we don't really notice it if we don't pay attention or we look closely. I'm going to show you how many clips I have removed to actually be able to access the radar. I didn't intend to like take off the bumper because it's too difficult for me, I think, and it's probably a bigger work. So what I did over here, so this clip over here, one over here, over here, here, there, and over here you have a few. And there's like screw here you need to take off, and then under the hood or under the car you will see a few more over here, here, and I think over here. So that's all you need to unscrew, and then I think you're ready to take the radar off. And that's the one which was broken. And I guess if you plan to fix, for instance, this big one over here, this emblem, or maybe this one, or this one, then you can actually take off the plastic cover under the hood. So then it's also doable.